Yeah, I got your arms.
Here we go.
Okay, we're gonna get Yoda face. Get Yoda face, Charlie.
Comes the Yoda face.
Here, let me turn the light on better. There we go. Oh.
Can you see his face?
Yeah.
Is he doing it?
You getting Charlie? You burp for Mama?
You can do it, Charlie. Do the Yoda face. Oh, there goes.
No. Burp you will. Burp I must. Feel better, I will.
I hope I'm doing this right. Did you hear that? I think he burped.
Yeah, just make sure you do it on his lungs. Or, yeah, up towards there. Oh. Look at them eyes, that pretty boy. You are such a pretty boy, not in a bad way either.
You good? We good?
Want me to stop recording?